Question 31. It is one of the representative of phylum Arthropoda is. We have to select the example with respect to Arthropoda. Now the given option are option A. It is written a cuttlefish. Now cuttlefish, it is a mollusk. It is not a arthropod. Option B is silverfish. Silverfish is a wingless insect. It is a particular insect, wingless insect. Option C, pufferfish. Pufferfish belong to chordate. And option D, that is flying fish. This flying fish also belong to the chordate. Now you know that insect come under the insecta order of the phylum Arthropoda. So correct answer is option B. Question 32. Which is a true about Nares, scorpion and cockroach? We have to select a true with respect to Nares, scorpion and cockroach. With cockroach there is a silverfish is also there. Now we have to select a correct with respect to this one. Now you know that Nares, that is particularly a, if you go with this, Nares belong to Annelida and other all three belong to Arthropoda. Now if we go with this, arthropods have jointed appendages but Annelida cannot have, so option A is not true for all. If we go with the option B, they all possess dorsal rod, so this is the correct statement with respect to this all. Option C, none of them is aquatic. It is not like that. Scorpion is aquatic, so it is incorrect. Scorpion, that can be aquatic, and they all belong to same phylum, so that is incorrect. As I have said, that is belong to Annelida and that is Arthropoda. So the correct answer is option B. Question 33. It asks that metameric segmentation is a characteristic of. Okay, so metameric segmentation, it means the body divided into similar part. Body divided into similar parts or metameres. Now this thing is observed in annelids and arthropods. So option C is correct. Question 34. Two common characters found in centipede. Common character that is found in centipede, cockroach and crab. Now if we see here, the first thing that we need to remember that these all are the arthropods, and if we go by selecting a statement with respect to arthropod, they have a jointed legs or jointed appendages that we have studied, and they have chitinous exoskeleton. So option B is the correct answer. Now next, question 35. Which of the animal belong to same phylum? We have to select the set which include example of same phylum. Now option A is given as malarial parasite. Malarial parasite, you know, that is a plasmodium, belong to protista. Then amoeba. amoeba is a protozoan, mosquito are insects. So this all belong to protista, this belong to protista, and this belong to animalia. So kingdom are different, so cannot be have a same phylum. Option B, earthworm, pinworm, and tapeworm. Earthworm belong to annelida, pinworm, and tapeworm. If we go with the tapeworm belong to platyhelminths. So here there is a different phylum. Option C, prawn, scorpion, and locust. They all belong to arthropoda. And option D, sponge, belong to porifera. Then sea anemone, they belong to Nidaria. And echinodermata, that is starfish given example it is. So option C is correct, that prawn, scorpion, and locust all belong to the phylum arthropoda. Next is question 36. Now question 36 asks that deuterostomate and enterostomate invertebrate is. Now first we have to select that what do you mean by deuterostomate. Deuterostomate are the particular a stage of embryonic development during which first opening become anus is anus. Now similar to that protostome, you should understand that also it is embryonic development during which first opening is mouth. Now enterocoelomate means coelom form by pinching off from digestive tract. From digestive tract pinching occurs and coelom forms. The coelom is known as enterocoelomate. Now if we go with the options in the question, first option that is given is pila. Now if we talk about the pila, it is a mollusk and it is a schizocoelomate. It is not enterocoelomate. Option B, ascaris. Ascaris is a esculminth and it is a pseudocoelomate. It is again not enterocoelomate. Option C, that is Aphrodite. Aphrodite is specifically a annelid and schizocoelomate. But when we go with the option D, that is Asterias, it is a deuterostomate and as well as enterocoelomate. So option D is the correct answer. Next is question 37. Question 37 asks that ink glands occur in. So first we should understand what is ink glands. Ink glands are the special organ with immature cells in inner portion. It is an organ that having an immature immature cells in the inner portion. From this cell gradually become mature. From this inner portion, cells gradually become mature and migrate towards outer portion of gland. Then later on, melanin get produced. Now this ink gland are present within ink sac. So this type of ink gland was found in sepia. So it is a correct answer. Question 38. Question 38 asks that Osphradium is meant from. Osphradium is meant for. Now first understand what is Osphradium. Osphradium is a olfactory organ present in some mollusks. It is a olfactory organ present in some mollusks. It is linked with, it has a chemoreceptive function. So it senses incoming water for food particles, and so it has a role to select or reject a food. So this way it works. So option D is the correct answer, selection or rejection of food. Question 39. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Not correct, we have to select. Option A is given as acoelomate and platyhelminthes. It is correct one. Platyhelminths are acoelomate. Second, B option is given as acoelomate mollusk. Mollusks are not acoelomate, they are schizocoelomate. Option C, mollusks are schizocoelomate. Option C, pseudocoelomate. And esculments, correct, esculments are pseudocoelomate. And option D, arthropods which are coelomate, it is correct. So incorrect, spectrum is B, so B is the answer. Next is question 40. Question 40 asks that which of the following is a matching set of a phylum and its three examples. We have to select a match with respect to phylum and its example. Now option A is given as Nidaria, and in front of that they have given a Bonalia. Now Bonalia is a echinodon. The next option is Physalia and Aurelia and Aurela. So these are the Cnidarians. So they do not have a same phylum, so it is not a correct match. Option B, Platyhelminthes. The given option are Planaria, Cystosoma and Enterobius. Now this Planaria and Cystosoma are the Platyhelminthes, but Enterobius is a nematode. So that also comes under the same phylum. So this is the Enterobius belong to the what? Nematode. Now option C, mollusk, and in front of that the example given are Logido, Reredo and Octopus. Now these all belong to mollusks, so it is a correct set with the phylum and example. Option D is given as Porifera, and example are given are Spongilla, Euplectella and Pennatula. Now this is a coelenterate and these are porifera, so it is not a correct set. So option C is the correct answer. Question 41. In which one of the following the genus name, its to character and its phylum are not correctly matched? We have to select a not correct match, whereas the remaining three are correct. Now, here a relationship between the genus name to character and phylum. First option A is given as Pila. It has a segmented body. Now we know that Pila have a unsegmented body, and in option they have given a segmented body, so this becomes a incorrect. Obvious, it belongs to mollusk. It has a mouth with the radula, but they do not have a segmented body. Unsegmented body is there, so it is an incorrect statement. Option B is genus given as Asterias. The characters are spiny skinned and water vascular system and belong to Echinoderma. It is absolutely correct. Option C, Cycon, which has a pore-bearing canal system and belong to Porifera. Obviously belong to Porifera, so have a canal system and pore. Option D, Periplaneta. It is belong to obvious, that is a earthworm, belong to Arthropoda. So they have jointed appendages and a chitinous exoskeleton. So it is an incorrect statement. So now option A, this is the correct statement. So option A become incorrect, that is the answer. Next we move to the question number 42. 42 asks that which one of the following phyla is correctly matched with the two general characters. We have to match a phylum with its characters. Now in option A they have given about the arthropod, and in arthropoda they have some character like body divided into head, thorax and abdomen. It is a correct, that is divided into head, thorax and abdomen, and a respiration by trachea. Here be remember that respiration in arthropods occur by a book gills and bookworms. So here A become the incorrect one. Okay, if we go with the option B, that is with respect to chordate, and in chordate they have given that notochord is present at some stage and separate anal and urinary bladder, urinary opening to the outside. Now chordate may or may not have separate anal and urinary openings. Option C, so it is incorrect. Option C, echinodermata. Echinodermata are pentamerous, radial symmetry and mostly internal fertilization. Yes, echinodermata have radial symmetry in their adult phases, but the fertilization is external, so it is an incorrect one. Option D is given with respect to mollusca, and the statement are normally oviparous. Yes, development through trochophore or veliger larva. Yes, there is a indirect development can occur or direct development can occur, but here indirect development with the trochophore. So this D is the correct answer with the correct statement. Question 43. In phylum Echinodermata. Now we have just discovered that Echinodermata, they have a radial symmetry as well as bilateral symmetry. Radial symmetry is found in case of adults and bilateral symmetry is found in case of the larva. So the option A become the correct answer. Next is question 44. Which of the following statement are true or false? We have to select a true or false. Statement 1 is given as in higher phyla cellular level of organization is seen. It is incorrect. Cellular level organization is seen in Porifera, which is not a higher phyla. Option 2, phylum Platyhelminthes have a cellular level of organization. So Platyhelminthes have organ level of organization, so it is incorrect. Statement 3, cellular level organization is seen when the cells are not arranged as a loose cell aggregate. When they are loose cell aggregate arranged in the form of loose cell aggregate, then it is a cellular, so it is incorrect. Option 4, mollusk exhibit a tissue level of organization. Mollusk exhibit a organ system level of organization, so this is also incorrect. So all the four options become incorrect, and this is given in option D, that all statements are false. D become the answer. Next is question 45. Question 45 asks that acorn worm are included in acorn worm. Now be remember, acorn worm are the close relative of echinoderms, but they are found in hemichordata. So option C is the correct